Hello, Sunny. Good evening.
Teacher, good evening.
Yes. How are you today, Sunny?
I'm good.
Very good. Okay, today's last time you are done with get ready for starters. So just what I promised you, we are going to move on with get ready for movers. Okay, so this is unit 1. It's all about at the park. Okay, so let's look at the words in here, Sunny. I want you to look, listen, and repeat. We have how.
Oh,
Okay, say how. I cannot hear you, Sunny. Can you hear me?
yes.
Oh, there you are. Thank you, Sunny. Okay, so look, what can she do?
She can hop.
Very good. What about you? Can you hop?
Yes, I can.
Wow, nice. Okay, now look, say skip.
Skip.
Great. What can she do?
She can skip.
That's right. What about you? Can you also skip?
Yes.
Yes, I can. Very good, Sunny. Where are you going, Sunny?
My my sister is too loud, so I
Ah,
know.
it's okay. I understand. All right. Now look at this one. Say walk.
Walk.
Great. Look at the boy. What can he do?
He can walk.
That's correct. What about you? Can you walk?
Yes.
Wow, nice. How about your sister? Can she walk yet?
Yes.
Oh, very good, Sunny. Okay, now look, say climb.
Um,
Great. Do you like climbing the tree, Sunny?
No,
No, why not?
because it's dangerous.
That's right. It's very dangerous. We might fall from the tree and we would hurt our head. Okay, now look at this one. Laugh.
Laugh.
Okay, now why do people laugh, Sunny? It's because
Because it's funny.
that is right. Okay, so who always laugh in your family?
It's me.
Ah, why do you always laugh?
Because my sister is make a funny story.
Oh, very good. Like, how old is your sister, Sunny?
Is um,
Yeah.
um,
Yes.
10 years old.
Oh, 3 years old. Wow, that's nice because she knows how to make a funny story. Very good. So she is funny. Great, Sunny. Okay, now look, say roller skate.
Roller skate.
Very good. Do you have a roller skate, Sunny?
No, I can't roller skate.
Ah, yes, and it is also dangerous if you don't know how to do it. Yeah, so we really have to be careful when we roller skate. But there are actually roller skates where it has 4 wheels, like one, two, three, four, then another here, another one, and like that. So you know how to balance. Unlike this one, it's kind of scary. Okay, now look at this one. We have cry.
Okay.
Okay. Now, why do people cry, Sunny?
Because this
Okay,
left us.
it's probably they're hurt, they're scared, right? So when was the last time that you cried, Sunny?
I cried because I scary.
Yes. Okay. So you can say it like this. I cried
I cried
because I
because
was
I
scared.
was scared.
Very good. Okay. So yeah, I remember last time that you cried when we had a class because you thought that your mom left you, right? And you were scared to be home alone, right?
Right.
Yes. Where did your mom go that time, Sunny?
Sometimes
Oh, where did your mom go that time? Where did she go? Did she go to the market?
no.
Where was she?
She she left me in the house and she go to help other people's.
Ah, I see. I understand that one, Sunny. If that happens next time, you don't have to cry. You can actually like call your mom or just stay at home. Don't go out because your mom will always come back in your house. Yes. Okay. So now look at this one, but it is okay to cry. I'm not saying that it's not okay to cry. Okay, now look, we have dance.
Dance.
Okay, look at them. What can they do?
They can dance.
That's right. What about you? Can you dance?
Sometimes I can
Mm.
dance, but not really.
Ah, okay. Yeah, me too. I can dance when it's only me and no one's looking at me. Yes. Okay, because I don't know how to dance. Now look, we have fish.
Fish.
Okay, look at the girl. What is the girl doing here?
She is fishing.
That's right. Where can we go to get some fish?
We can go to the pond.
Yes, we can go to the pond, river, or in the sea. Okay. Do you eat fish, Sunny?
I thought I eat fish.
Oh, really? What about chicken?
I eat
Do you?
chicken.
Very good. What's your favorite meat?
It's, it's meat.
Like the pork meat, beef meat, like the cow's meat, which is beef? Do you like chicken, pork, beef, fish, or what?
Mm, I like meat.
Oh, just meat. Great, Sunny. Okay, now look, say hide.
I,
Yeah, so look at them. They're playing hide and seek. Have you ever played hide and seek?
yes.
Yes. Who do you play it with?
I play with my friends.
Wow, very good, Sunny. Okay, now look, say ah. So we are done with the words. So this time we're going to practice. Okay, now look at this time. Oh, let me share my screen so that we can have a game. Wait a minute. Oh, can you see it?
No.
Can you see it now? Okay. So look at this one. How does this work? So look, we're going to move around the board. So this one is the board. This is a board game. Okay. And say what is happening for each picture that you land on with the dice. So you ask me for a clue. Then I will give you a clue like, oh, it starts with letter C. Now look at this one, Sunny. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Great. So here is the dice. Ta-da-da-dang, ta-dang. Let's roll it. Wow, six. Okay, now look, this is you. What color do you like? Do you like you like pink, right? So I'm going to put pink in not pink because it will conflict. Let's have green instead. Okay, so this is you. Let's start here. Six. Let's count to six. One,
One,
two,
two, three,
three,
four,
four, five,
five, six.
six. Okay. So look, what's happening?
She is crying.
She is crying. Very good, Sunny. Now, let's roll the dice again. Ta-da-da-ding. Ta-da-ding, ting, ting. Four. Okay. Now, let's move. One. Oh,
One,
one.
one, two, three, four.
What is she doing?
She is yelling.
That's right. She's hopping, hopping. Okay, now look. Let's, oh, one more. Ta-da-da-ding, ta-ding. One. Oh, okay. What's she doing?
She is crying.
She's crying. Very good. Now let's roll the dice again, Sunny.
No,
Okay.
no,
Ta-da-da-ding, ta-ding, ting, ting. Wow, three. Okay, now look at this one. You count.
one, two, three. She is
Three.
skipping.
Uh, yes. Okay, you say she is keeping.
She is skipping.
Very good. Now let's roll the dice again. Are you ready to roll it?
Yes.
Okay. If you're ready, you say, uh-huh, uh-huh. Are you ready?
Aha, aha.
Okay. One more. If you're ready, you say, uh-huh, uh-huh. Are you ready?
Hmm.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Here it is, Sunny. Ta-da-da-ding, ta-ding, ting, ting. Six. Okay, let's move it. You count.
One, two, three, four, five, six.
Okay. So what's he doing?
He is squawking.
That's right. Now let's roll it again. Five. Do you want to roll again or no?
No.
Okay, five. So what will happen if it's five? We have to go back from the start. One,
Oh. What?
two,
Oh
da-da-da-da, three,
my.
four,
Oh,
five. What's
oh my
she doing?
She is skipping.
Very good. Now roll. One last roll. Ta-da-da-ding, ta-ding. Five again. Okay, let's see. You count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, what does it
Oh,
say?
move to step.
Okay, one, two. What's he doing?
He is walking.
Very good, Sunny. Yay, Sunny. Okay, so we will not finish this one anymore. So great job. Thank you for your participation in this game. So I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stars. Very good, Sunny. Now, look at this one. I want you to look and complete the verbs. So, number one, we have laugh. What about number two, Sunny? What's number two? Very good, cry. How about number three? Dance. Okay, very good, Sunny. How about number four? Great job. Okay, five. Fish. Yay. Okay, six. Very good. Wow, roller skate. Okay, seven. Very nice, Sunny. Okay, eight. Wow, that's correct. Okay, nine. Very good. Hi, you're getting better and better in spelling. How about number 10? Wow. Perfect for this one, Sunny. You've got 10 out of 10 in here. Very good. Okay, now you add 10 stars. Can you add 10 stars? One. Very nice. Okay, great, Sunny. Now, let's look at this one. So, let's look at the part three. So, this is a game that says clothes shadow matching. Are you ready to play a game again?
I'm not playing games.
Are are you ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready? I cannot hear you, Sunny. Can you ask
No.
help from your mom? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
You try to check your microphone, your headset, because I
Hello?
cannot hear you.
Oh no. Oh,
Oh, yes, yes, yes. It's okay now. There you go. Very good. Thank you, Sunny.
what's
It's okay now. I can hear you.
okay.
Yes. Okay. So this game is all about clothes, shadow, matching. So you're going to match the clothes in here. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. So look at this one. So when the light shines on an object, it creates a silhouette. So what is a silhouette? Look at teacher AM. Okay? I'm going, oh, you cannot see the silhouette of mine. Okay, now look at this one. Ah, still you can see it. But a silhouette is when you do this on the wall and you can see your reflection that creates the shadow.
Hmm.
Uh, yes, like this one. Let me just translate it instead.
Dạ, kiểu này á. Không phải. Kiểu này á. Kiểu này cũng phải chứ nhỉ?
Like this. Silhouette.
See you. Hình bóng.
Or like this. Let me try to close my light. Okay, look. Ah, it's still not there. It's still not there. So silhouette is when you are making a shadow. Okay, and this happens when it's kind of dark. And when you do it, then the shadow will also follow you, right? Okay, now look. Oh, there's actually a shadow behind me. Okay, try to wave your hand. Look at that. Can you see that? That is my silhouette, a shadow of me, like that. So that's a silhouette. So let's look at this one. What could it be? What's this, Sunny? It's a t-shirt. Okay, what about this one? What could it be?
Which
Tools. Very good. How about this? What could it be? A cap. Nice. What could it be? Very good. How about this one? Wow. Great, Sunny. What about this? Wow. Skirt.
uh,
Very good. Okay. What about this one?
shirt.
Yes. Okay. Or we say sweater. Sweater. Sweater during winter. Okay. What about here? What could it be?
Shorts.
Yes, socks. Okay. Now, for that one, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Now, this time, it's more interesting because we're going to dress up. Okay, look at the boy and the girl. Let's give it a try before we start. Look at the weather in here. Where is the boy?
He is at the sea.
Yes, the boy is at the beach. So if you were at the beach, what must you wear? Are you going to wear a jacket or a swimwear?
Where?
A swimwear. Very good, Sunny. Now, look at this one. What's the weather like?
Is stormy.
That's right. So if it is stormy, what clothes do they need to wear? Circle it, then I will click it for you.
Okay.
Raincoat, very good. Umbrella, nice.
Um,
Or we can start from here. Very good. Okay, long sleeve shirt, trousers or jeans, sock, nice. Umbrella, sock, sandals. Anything else? That's it. Very good. Okay, what about this one? Okay, what's the weather?
it's sunny.
It's so clear. The sun is so clear. So I think it's sunny. So what must they wear? They must wear, example, a short. Okay. T-shirt, hat, sandals, sunglasses. Wow. Look at them. They look so cool. Very good for that one, Sunny. You've got 2 stars. Okay, look, the weather is winter. So look, there's one example. They must wear trousers. What else they must wear? Winter jackets. Very good. Winter gloves, scarf, winter hat, socks, boots. Very good. Trousers. Nice. Winter hat. Very nice. Look at them now. They look ready
Oh,
for winter. Very good, Sunny. Okay, what about this one? Oh, there's more? Okay, how about this one? It's
mm,
fall. What must they wear?
hmm, hmm.
Okay, t-shirt or long sleeve shirt, sandals, trousers. Oh, so this is their final look. Because it's winter, so they have to wear um long sleeve t-shirt. Okay. Now look at this one. It's clear again. They're at the park. What must they wear?
Hmm. They
Short
wear
t-shirt.
outshines, scooch,
Skirt. Very
trousers,
good. Trousers. Oh, trousers?
shorts.
No, because it's hot. So we have socks. Very good. Trainers.
Oh,
So this is it. This is their final look. So if it is sunny, we don't wear trousers. We wear shorts. Okay, so well done for this one, Sunny. Okay, so this is just the beginning of Fun for Movers. Do you like this book?
yes.
Yes, because we can play and learn at the same time. So here are all the stars that you've got. So I think you've got 5 plus 10 plus 5 again. That's 20 plus 2 more. So you've got 22 stars in total. Very good, Sunny. Keep up the good work. I hope you learned something. Bye, Sunny.